For English, Wednesday. Read through the words and rewrite them 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to write it 4 times, just 3. The first spelling word is art, arm, car, jar, bar, far, park, could, would, and should. For our next English activity, we will be looking at collective nouns. Pair each noun with what you think would be most suitable collective noun. For instance, a pride of, the answer is on this side. So you'll draw a line from a pride of to the answer. Is it a pride of wolves, a pride of parrots, a pride of frogs, or a pride of lions? Since it's a pride of lions, you'll draw a line from here going down here. A school of, you look at the words on this side and you'll draw a line from here to this side. But you need to figure out the answers, year 1. And you'll do it until the end of the worksheet. So all you have to do is draw a line to the correct noun. Here we've got another collective nouns worksheet. A collective noun is a name for a group of things. Like a lot of grape, a group of grapes is called a bunch of grapes. A lot of fish together, a shoal of fish. A lot of lions together, a pride of lions. Here you've got collective nouns listed for you, so you can use them to answer these sentences or to complete these sentences. We've got litter, team, flock, herd, library, and pack. Here we've got cards. It's a something of cards. You need to find which is the most suitable answer, the answer that fits in the best in there. A of sheep. Again, you need to choose the words from the list they've given you. And remember, look at the spelling of the word so that you don't misspell the words. A of puppies. Look at the words again. Choose one of these words and write them in here. Please try and write as neat as possible. Below, we've got a match the feminine gender with the masculine gender. Feminine means female, it means girl. Masculine means male or boy. Okay, so the first one has been done for you. Heroine, hero. Wife will be husband. So you'll draw a line from wife to husband. Okay, try and use as many different color pencils as possible, and try to draw your lines as straight as possible. You don't have to use a ruler here once. You can just do it freehand. Here we've got another exciting but easy worksheet. All you have to do is circle all the plural nouns, okay? You need to remember, your ones, that a noun is a name of a thing, or a place, or a person. So, a noun is plural when there is more than one, okay? Like chairs. That's a thing, right? And it's more than one chair, so it's chairs. Couches, okay? That's a plural noun. Carpets, plural noun. Cushion, cushion is not a plural noun. This is just one cushion. But pillows, that means you have a lot of pillows. It is a plural noun. So you need to circle all the plural nouns. You may use different color pencils or monomies just to circle, not color in, but circle the plural nouns only. Here we've got another plural nouns activity sheet. We have to identify the plurals. And remember that I said a noun is plural when there is more than one, like tables and children and desks and files and books and crayons. Those are all plural nouns, okay? So the same thing applies here. Circle all the plural nouns, okay? So that just means you have to circle the word chairs. Table, this sounds like it's only one thing, so we don't circle it. Couches, it sounds like it's more than one couch, maybe two or three. So we circle couches. Rug, sounds like it's just one rug. Carpets, sounds like it's more than one carpet. So we have carpets. Cushion, nope. Pillows, we'll circle pillows. And for your last English activity for today, all you need to do is circle the plural noun. A noun is a plural when there is more than one. So will we circle desks? Sounds like it's more than one, so we'll circle desks. Carpet. No, we don't circle it. Chairs. Yes, we circle it. Board. No, we don't circle it. Easel. We don't. Teacher. We don't. Students. Sounds like it's a lot of students, more than one, so we'll circle it. And you'll carry on until the end of the worksheet. And that's all you have to do for today.